Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. Today I am enjoying one of the most famous food from Bangladesh, the delicious mango. Mangoes are loved by people all around the world for their sweet taste, rich flavor and juicy texture. Bangladesh is known for producing many varieties of high quality mangoes. As you can see, this mango look fresh, colorful and very appetizing. Every bite is soft, sweet and full of natural goodness. What is your favorite type of mango? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and follow for more food and village lifestyle content. Thank you so much for watching and see you again the next video. This is our own fruit, own country and are a part of our tradition. Have you ever tried fresh mango? This is original and pure mangoes and very sweet and tasty. Awesome. I always love our country's mango, and you?